Hello, my name is swissbianco. In this video I will talk about the blue alox version of the Sailor Swiss Army knife, a 93mm alox knife. It has a single layer construction, is really a thin Swiss Army knife. On the front we have the main blade, and on the back side is the marlin spike sacking needle feature. This blue alox feature a red logo. On the back side we have the engraving plate. We also see the big cutout for the sacking needle. As the needle is put in, it looks like that. With the main blade open. It's really a compact knife, light, easy to carry. And the sacking needle feature looks like this in the open position, ready for use. That much about the blue version of the Sailor Swiss Army knife. It was made by Victorinox as a limited edition for Swissbianco.